If you need to export a Zapier Zap or download your account data, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want a backup of your workflows, need to review your private and shared Zaps, or just want to know where Zapier keeps this option, you're in the right place. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Zapier and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that profile menu, because that's where Zapier keeps your account and settings options. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open your Zapier settings page, where you can manage your profile, security, and data preferences. Next, on the settings page, click Security and Data. This is the section where Zapier stores options related to account security, exports, and data management. Now scroll down until you reach the data management area. Here, you'll find different account data tools, including the option to download your workflows. Look for the option that says download all private and shared Zap workflows. This is the setting you need if you want to export your Zapier Zaps. It allows you to request a download of your account workflows, including both private and shared ones, depending on what's available in your account. Once you find it, click the download icon. Zapier will begin preparing your export request. In many cases, this does not happen instantly, so don't worry if you don't see the file right away. After that, go check your email inbox. Zapier usually sends the download link or export file through email once the request is ready. So if you don't see it in your main inbox, make sure to check your spam or promotions folders too, just in case. When the email arrives, open it and click Download your account data. That will give you access to the exported Zapier information and complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Zapier Zap and downloaded your account data. If you wanted a quick backup or needed to retrieve your workflow information, this is the exact path to follow. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.